In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 365. So go ahead and open up a browser, and then in the address bar, go ahead and type m365.cloud.microsoft/apps and then hit enter. And here you'll see a list of accounts that you have. Just click on the account that has Microsoft 365. So I'm going to just select my account here. And now I'm going to just log in, so I'm going to skip this step. And now once you're logged in, you're going to be in this page where you're going to see all the apps that Microsoft has, as you can see. Just go ahead and click the install apps, the blue button at the top right, and then click Microsoft 365 apps. This will take you to another page, which is the actual page where you can actually download Office. As you can see, just click install Office button, and it's going to start downloading. And then just click on it to run the installation setup, and just wait for it a little bit. It's going to load up the installation. And now, as you can see, the installation started. So you can view the progress from here, or you can see it from the task tray. If you go down to the task tray, just look for the Microsoft icon, click on it, and then you'll be able to view the percentage. So right now it's at 3%. So I'm just going to skip it until it installs. So the installation has finished. I'm going to just close this, so it says you're all set. So you can now search for Word or Excel, and you can just find the Microsoft Office apps, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.